Hi everyone, this is Krishna Rao, Maths IIT faculty. Today I have to discuss number system, continuation finding root x geometrically. First we have to draw a length of x units. So you have to take a scale, any length you can take. X means draw a line segment x. This is AB, this is fixed point is A, and this is B. Now extend this B, extend it 1 unit, this is C, this is 1 unit, this is x units. Total AC is equal to x plus 1 unit. Now we have to draw the bisector of AC. How to draw the bisector means, see here, you have to take, this is a compass, and you have to draw here any radius. Here more than half means you have to draw one arc here, and down also you have to draw one more arc. From C to also same, you have to draw one more arc, and here down also you have to draw one more arc, but it is not intersect means once you have to take this one also extended, here also extend, and from here also extend. Where it is intersect these two arcs, you have to join with the help of the scale. See here, actually see here, this is a point O, this is the origin point O. Now you have to draw the semicircle with the ready OB. See here, this is radius. Now you have to draw one semicircle. Okay, this is a semicircle. Now you have to draw a perpendicular from B, perpendicular OB here, which is passing through B. Then how to draw means, you have to draw a semicircle here, or semicircle this like. Any radius also no problem. You have to draw the semicircle. See here, this like, this is the center is B, and you have to draw the semicircle. Now this can be divided into 3 equal parts. 1 from C to, you have to 1 here to here, 2 here to here, this is 3. Okay, now you can take any radius also, draw one here, one arc, from here to one arc. Listen children, here we divide this semicircle into 3 equal parts. This is one part, and this is one part, then this is one part. This is, each one is 60 degrees, 60. In a semicircle, 100 degrees, this is half. Then see here, now you have to join with the help of the scale this line, intersecting line, and this B. This is the perpendicular. Carefully you have to write. Where it is intersect this line, that is BD. Now see here, now you have to draw, see here I will write steps. Step 1, here draw a line segment, AB is equal to x unit. Now extended, which one extended here? AB extended 1 unit up to C. Now BC is equal to 1 and AC is equal to x plus 1. Here AC means AB plus BC is equal to x plus 1 unit. Now draw bisector of AC. Draw bisector, this one here. Draw bisector AC. Here O is the midpoint. O is midpoint of AC. Now draw a semicircle with radius OA is equal to OC. OA is equal to OC. So here OA is equal to OC means here OA is equal to OC. How much here? Total, this is AC. AC is equal to x plus 1 by 2. 2 means here this is OA is equal to OC. Now draw a perpendicular. Draw a perpendicular means here BD perpendicular to AC. BD perpendicular to AC. Now see here. Now we join BD and this is a OD. This is right angle. Now you have to take this one is one right angle triangle. This is O. This is B. This is a D. Okay. This is right angle. Now see here calculation. Here OB is equal to then here OB is equal to AC minus okay, not OB, wait. Here OB is equal to, actually we know that radius is equal to OC minus BC. Here OC is equal to OA. This is x plus 1 by 2 minus, here BC is equal to 1. Now you have to take LCM is here 2, here x plus 1 minus 2 is equal to x minus 1 by 2. This is OB, x minus 1 by 2. Already we know that this is OD is equal to radius. OD is equal to radius. Here this is OA is equal to OC is equal to OD also radius. This one also OD also radius. Then OD is equal to x plus 1 by 2. OD is equal to x plus 1 by 2. Now we have to find BD. BD how to find means here, see listen this side. Here this is a right angle triangle. Here this is x plus 1 by 2. Now this is hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Then here OD square is equal to OB square plus BD square. Now listen. Here we want BD square. BD square is equal to OD square. This OB square and this side minus OB square. OD is how much? OD is equal to x plus 1 by 2 whole square. OB is equal to x minus 1 by 2 whole square. Now write this one is a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square formula. How to write here? Listen 1 minute. Here this is x plus 1 whole square by 2 means here a plus b whole square formula x plus 1 whole square by 4 minus x minus 1 whole square by 4. Now this one expand this one x plus 1 whole square means x square plus 1 square plus 2x a square plus b square plus 2ab by 4. Next this one also here put bracket x square plus 1 minus 2x by 4. Now take LCM here. This is 4. Now x square plus 1 plus 2x minus into plus minus x square minus into plus minus 1 minus into minus plus 2x. Now this plus 2 not plus 2x. Here x square minus x square cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Here 2x plus 2x how much? 4x by 4. 4 cancel. This is x. This is x. Now what we want to here BD we want. Here we want BD. Actually BD square is equal to x. Here BD is equal to this square going that side means root x. Now see here this is BD is equal to root x. Here also BD is equal to root x. Now we have to represent geometrically root x on the number line. Now see, now I will drop this one. See here. This line you can extend no problem. This is origin. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. These are 3. This line you can take here. Now this radius you have to take. Here OD is root x units you can take and draw a semicircle. Take OD and draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. Okay, now this is root x units. Actually this is 1 2 3 simply has given, but actually this is root x units. You have to solve this like geometrically, find the root x. Now we will discuss one problem, then you understand each and everything. Listen. Okay, next problem. This is in your NCERT example problem. Represent root under root 3.5 on the number line. First you have to draw the 3.5 units on the with the help of the scale. 3.5 units. Okay. This is 3.5 units. This is fixed point A. This is B. B. Now we will extend it 1 unit from B. 1 unit you have to extend. This one is up to here. 1 unit. 1 unit. This is 1 unit, this is C. Now we have to take the AC midpoint. This is 1. Total length is 4.5 centimeters. Now you have to draw the bisector of AC. Bisector of AC means you have to draw the bisector means more than half. This is actually more than half. Here suppose here this is half means more than half. You can take here this line. Okay. Draw one arc. Here down also draw. Without shaking you have to take here. See here one more time. This is correct. Here this is correct. Next from C to also same. You have to draw one more arc. Here down also you have to draw one more arc. Where it is intersect these two arcs, you have to join. Join. Okay. This is a O. This is O. O. Now draw a semicircle with ready OA or OC. OA or OC. Without shaking, you have to take and draw it. See here, exactly here. See here, this is a OA is equal to OC is equal to here 4.5 by 2. Here AC is equal to 4.5. Here AC by 2 is equal to 4.5 by 2 is equal to here OC or OA. Now we have to draw a perpendicular from B. Then you have to draw a semicircle from B. Any radius also no problem. You have to draw one semicircle. Now this can be divided into 3 equal parts. 1, 2 and this is 3 already. Now any radius no problem. You have to draw one more arc up from this arc to you have to draw one more arc. Where it is intersect that 2 arcs, you have to join with B. Now where it is intersect this line that is D, then BD is perpendicular to AC. Now this is a 4 plus 1 by 2, 4 plus 5 by 4 plus 5 by 2. This is OC. OC is equal to 4 plus 5 by 2. Now we have to find the OB. OB is equal to OC minus BC. Here OC is equal to 4.5 by 2 minus BC is equal to 1 unit. Now 4.5 by 5 minus 2 by 2 is equal to 2.5 by 2. This is a 2.5 by 2. Now you have to join, this is O and D with the help of the scale. This is also 4.5 by 2. Now see here, here you have to draw a small triangle. This is O, here B, this is D, this is right angle. Now this is 2.5 by 2 and this is 4.5 by 2. Now you have to find out BD by using the Pythagoras theorem. Here OD square is equal to here OB square plus BD square. Here OD is equal to, here we want BD, then BD square is equal to OD square minus OB square. Here OD is equal to how much? 4.5 by 2 minus whole square by whole square minus, here BD is equal to 2.5 by 2 whole square. Now see here, here BD is equal to, BD square is equal to 4.5 whole square, 20.25 by 4 minus, here this is 2.5 whole square means 6.25 by 4. 25 into 25, 625. Now you have to subtract here 20.25 minus 6.25. Here 0, this is 4 and this is 14. Here 14 by 4. Here this one is to simplify, 2 7s are 2 2s are. Here 7 by 2 means here 3.5. Here BD is equal to, here this root going that side means under root 3.5. Now this BD is equal to under root 3.5. Now this radius you have to take, here this is a BD is equal to 3.5. Radius you have to take and draw one arc. This is arc. Or this is a semicircle. This side also you can draw, no problem. But compulsory you have to draw this side only. Why? Because this is a 0 origin. This is 1 unit, and this is a 2 units. 3 means 1.7 means this is a 2 units, and this is 3 units. And this is under root 3. 3 means 1 point. Here root means 1.414. But this is approximately, here 2 means you have to take here. Here approximately this is 1 point. Root 3 means 1.732. That means here this is 2, this is 3. Root 3.5. You have to draw this like on the number line. Actually not only this is a decimal part, you have to take that is a positive integers also. You can draw this like, it is possible. Okay, understand, I think understand this problem. Next I will give some 2 problems for homework. See here. Homework. Okay, represent under root 9.3 on number line. Second one is represent 10.3 on number line. Next concept is rationalization. Here in this concept, rationalization means, here first we have to discuss rationalization factor. Here rationalization factor means a number we have to multiply or divide, it becomes a rational number, that is then we have to multiply or divide a number, that is the rationalization factor. Suppose here 1 by root 2 one number as given. Here which number we have to multiply, here denominator, that denominator becomes a rational number, that is called the rationalizing factor. Here root 2 you have to multiply it by and divide by root 2, then here root 2 into 1 root 2, here denominator becomes rational number, root 2 into root 2 whole square root cancel, then root 2 by 2, here denominator becomes a rational number, then rationalization of the denominator number. Here rationalizing factor means, here suppose root 2 minus 1, this is a rational number. It's a rational factor means which number you have to multiply, which irrational number you have to multiply, then it becomes the rational number. That number is called the rational factor of this number. Here you have to multiply it root 2 plus 1. This becomes a irrational number to rational numbers. Here this is A, this is B, and this is A plus B. Then this is equal to A square minus B square. Here A square minus B square means under root whole square minus 1 square. Here root square cancel 2. This is 1. This is 1. 1 is a rational number. Suppose another example here, root 3 minus root 2. Here this is a irrational number. This irrational number, we have to find the rational factor. Which number you have to multiply, this becomes a rational number. Means here root 3 plus root 2. Now this is a minus b into a plus b. Root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Then this one cancel, this one cancel. Here 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. This is also rationalization. Here rationalization is two types. First one is rationalization is denominator and rationalization is numerator. See, before we have to discuss this one, some properties we have to see here. Here root a whole square is equal to a. The square root cancel means a. Next one is root a into root b is equal to here root ab. This one is write as a power 1 by 2 and b power 1 by 2 square root means. Here bases different, powers also same. Then you have to write same power. Then this is rewrite as under root ab. Now third one is here root a by root b. This is write as root a by b. Next root a plus root b into root a minus root b is write as a minus b. Now listen, rationalization of denominator. Rationalization of denominator. See here. Here I will take one example. Here 1 by root 5 minus root 3. This is one number, irrational number. Irrational number. Then this denominator becomes rational number, means we have to multiply with its rational factor. First you have to find the rational factor. Which one is the rational factor? You have to multiply. Then it becomes the rational number, denominator only, not numerator. Then here same dislike as means you have to change the sign here, minus instead of plus, and multiply both numerator and denominator. Now see here, this is example 1. Now root 5 plus root 3 into 1 root 5 plus root 3 by this is a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Now see here root 5 plus root 3 whole by here square root cancel, 5 minus 3 is equal to root 5 plus root 3 by 5 minus 3 2. Understand? Note down. Next problem, rationalization the numerator of root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Here already we discussed the denominator, rationalization denominator. Now rationalization of the numerator, how it is means you have to write here root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Here don't take its a denominator rational factor. You have to take numerator, it's a rational factor. Here root 3 minus 1, its a rational factor is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Now you have to multiply, this is a minus b, this is a plus b. Here root 3 whole square minus 1 square. This is square cancel, root cancel. Then this is a root 3 minus root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 whole square. Then this is 3 minus 1 by this is a plus b whole square formula. Root 3 whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into root 3 into 1. Now 3 minus 1 is equal to how much? 2 whole by square root cancel 3 here 1 square 1 plus 2 into root 3 2 root 3. Now 2 by 3 plus 1 4 by 2 root 3. Here take 2 common, numerator 2 common. Here denominator also you can take 2 common, means here 2 you have to take common, means 2 into 2 4 plus root 3. Here 2 into root 3 2 root 3. This 2 to cancel. Answer is 1 by 2 plus root 3. Now we have to discuss exercise 1.5. Classify the following numbers as a rational number or irrational number. First one you have to see here. Here 2 minus root 5. Here one rational number and irrational number. Difference is irrational number. Here sum of the two rational and irrational means irrational number. Difference also irrational number, and product also irrational number, and quotient also irrational number. Next second one, see here. here 3 plus root 3 root 23, here minus root 23. This bracket you can open, then plus and minus cancel 3. It is a rational number. Third one, 2 root 7 by 7 root 7. Here root 7 cancel. Here 2 by 7 is a rational. Next, fourth one is 1 by root 2. This is a rational. This is a irrational. Its quotient also irrational. Already here also. Sum, difference, product and quotient, rational and irrational is again irrational. And fifth one, 2 is rational and pi is irrational. Product of rational and irrational is also irrational. Note down. Okay, second problem. Simplify each of the following expressions. First one, 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. Now this is in formula order as not given, then you have to multiply simple. 2 into 3, 6 plus 3 into root 2, 3 root 2 plus root 3 into 2, 2 root 3 and root 3 into root 2, root 6. Now you have to write here 6 plus here 3 root 2. Same as it is, you leave it. Second one, 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. See here formula method is given. Here this is a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. Now this one is write as 3 square minus root 3 whole square. Here 3 square 9, root square cancel, 3 is equal to 6. Next third one, root 5 plus root 2 whole square. This is a plus b whole square formula. Here a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then here a means here root 5 whole square plus 2 into root 5 into root 2 plus root 2 whole square. Now you have to write here, this is square root cancel, 5 plus here 2 into root 5 into root 2 root 10 plus this square root cancel 2. Now you have to write here 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 root 10. Next one is fourth one. See here, fourth one, root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. This is also same dislike. Here a plus b into a minus b. Simply you can write here root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Square root cancel. Here 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Note down. Okay, next question, third one is recall. Pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference, say c, of a circle to its diameter, say d. That is pi is equal to c by d. This seems to contradict that the fact that pi is irrational. How will you solve this contradiction? See here, recall pi is defined as the ratio of circumference by diameter. See here, circumference is equal to 2 pi r and this is diameter is d is equal to 2r. This 2r cancel means this is 5. You have to define this like, but actually when we measure the length of the line which using scale or any device, we will take the approximate value only. Then here c and d are irrational, therefore c by d also irrational number. That's why there is no contradiction of phi is irrational number. Right? You have to write this like this is only. Here when we measure the length of a line with the help of a scale or any device, we also take its approximate value, approximate rational value. Approximate rational value. So that is here C and D are irrational, then C by D also irrational. Therefore, there is no contradicts, no contradicts of phi is contradicts, say phi is irrational. Next one. Next problem, represent under root 9.3 on the number line. Already I gave this one is homework. You can try this one. Next one is rationalize the denominator of the following. First one is 1 by root 7. Here which number you have to multiply, it becomes a rational number, means here root 7. Rational factor. Here root 7 by root 7 into root 7, 7 only. Root 7 whole square 7. Then second one is 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Here root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. Now see here 1 into root 7 plus root 6, root 7 plus root 6 whole by, this is a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, root 7 whole square minus root 6 whole square is equal to root 7 plus root 6. Here square root cancel, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, then root 7 plus root 6 by 1 means 1a, no problem. Next third one, 1 by under root 5 plus under root 2. Here rationalized factor, under root 5 plus instead of here right minus. Here under root 5 minus under root 2. Now under root 5 minus under root 2 by, here this is a root 5 plus root 2 into, this is a minus b into a plus b, root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Now root 5 minus root 2 by square root cancel, here square root cancel, 5 minus 2 is equal to root 5 minus root 2 by, this is 3, 5 minus 2 is equal to, this is 3. Now next problem, 1 by root 7 minus 2 only. Here you have to multiply root 7 plus 2, here also root 7 plus 2. This is the fourth one. Now 1 into this one is root 7 plus root 2 whole by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, root 7 whole square minus 2 square. Now this root square cancel, root 7 plus root 2 whole by 7 minus 2 square is 4. Now root 7 plus root 2 by 7 minus 4, 3. This is the answer. Note down. Thank you watching for the children. This video is completed. Next exponents and powers.